Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set lock screen password. So before I start the video, so friends, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go to the setting, then you have to press the setting, then you have to scroll it down, then you see your password and biometrics, so you have to press this one. Then you see here set lock screen password, first one, you have to press this one. Then you have to wait for a minute. So you have to press continue. So you need to enter a digit, enter a number. So you have to press use. So you have to press it again, the number. So if you want to add fingerprint also, you can add it. If you want to add the fingerprint, so you just add, you just need to press this one, add. So I don't want to put a fingerprint, so I just cancel it. So lock screen has been set, so it is done now. So I just show you. So see, password has been set already, so you just need to enter it. So it is done now. So now how to remove this password? So you have to go to the setting again and press the setting. So you have to come down. So you have to press it again, this one. So you need to press it this one again. So you have to enter the password, enter the number that you have given. So you see here turn off password, so you have to press this one. So you have to enter it again. So lock screen has been removed. See, lock screen password has been removed. So friends, before you leave this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.